Managers of water sources foresee scarcity of water resources in the near future should the current trend of water use persists.
We have a reduction of 34% in our renewable surface water resources in the last 20 years or so. That means that as the demands for water resources increase for our development and with increasing population, the amount of water available is going down.
The Director of Natural Resources at the Ministry of Water and Environment, Florence Adong, reveals that a recent study on the role of economic contribution of water and environment to the GDP conducted pins the manufacturing sector for over-depending on hydropower.
Indeed, 34% of the energy water use feeds into the manufacturing activities. This is very important. Now, what we have done in collaboration with Uganda Cleaner Production is to promote water use efficiencies and best practices in consumption of water so that we can reduce demand, increase availability.
This was during the handover of assorted equipment worth billions of shillings to 3 implementing agencies in the Lake Victoria Environmental Management Project Phase 2 that include National Water and Sewage Corporation, National Fisheries Resources Institute and Uganda Cleanup and Production Center. Minister for Water and Environment Sam Cheptoris urged recipients to utilize the equipment effectively.
The equipment we are handing over today to National Water will not only build the capacity of National Water, but it will ensure that effective maintenance of sewerage systems is done in-house and also free up capital that is required for developing the badly needed infrastructure that is necessary prerequisite to attaining a middle-income status.
The second phase of the Lake Victoria Environmental Management Project, funded by the World Bank, covered the East African Community Partner States. In Uganda, the project activities were implemented in the Katonga watershed, lakeshore areas, and some selected towns of Entebbe, Kampala, Jinja, and Masaka in the Lake Victoria Basin. Bernard Higa, UBC TV, in Kampala.